এসো এ বৈশাখ এসো 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 এ বৈশাখ এসো এসো and then la 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 la
সুরে দাওরায়ে বৎসরে যাবর্জনা দূর হয়ে যাক
যাক যাক এসো এসো This is my first time here. I've always wanted to be here, and I watch this always on YouTube videos, and this is for real. This does really happen, and the quality of the artwork, the quality of the event itself, the safety, the colors, the coming together, the feeling, the music, it's absolutely amazing. It's better than on YouTube for sure.
Okay.
And it's a reflection of the cultural variety that is in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a very rich country, culturally speaking. I like to wear the shari, I like to sing the songs, I like to be part of this cultural event. When I leave to go to my own country, I will take a little bit of Bangladesh with me because it is impossible not to, and it has transformed our lives living here in this country. Shubho Nobobosho.
সংবাদ, ফিচার ও অনুষ্ঠানের জন্য ভিজিট করুন সংবাদ প্রকাশের ওয়েবসাইট এবং যুক্ত থাকুন ফেসবুক পেজ ও ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের সঙ্গে।